What's the deal, ZZ gang? It's your girl Zero, and I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna take her curls out. See how they turned out. So let's go. Alright, I'm not gonna show y'all. Wait, hold up, ZZ gang. But as I was saying, I'm not going to show you the results. I said the results till I'm all the way done. I'm about to do all of it. Are y'all ready to see the reveal? It's kind of ugly. I kind of don't like it because it's like 90s, 80s vibes. But it doesn't even look like anything. Can't even puff them up. This is